Hi everybody, Linda here from Flo Living, Feeling on Purpose. I've been asked to explain what I do and exactly what is Free Flow Living, Feeling on Purpose, apart from a bit of a tongue twister obviously. So in a nutshell, I help people feel good. It really is that simple. My purpose is inspiration and empowerment, yours. And my passion, my absolute passion, is to hear you smile. Over the years, I've studied and qualified to practice in so many different methods of healing and coaching, from conventional medicine, I'm a qualified nurse and midwife, to traditional remedies such as naturopathy, nutrition. I'm a certified hypnotist and FasterEFT practitioner, to mention a few. I've spent practically my whole life in this field and studying it and practicing it. And I've worked with thousands of people all over the world. And every time, without fail, I've discovered the same thing. All that truly matters at any given time or place is how you feel. How you feel is the transformation tool. And changes happen when we connect to how we feel, and then we take 100% responsibility for it. When I talk about changes, I'm talking about transforming health issues, work challenges, relationship difficulties, money worries, holistic changes. Free flow living encompasses the whole person, the mind, the body, and the soul. And this is what makes it a truly powerful transformation tool. I've learned that the mind and the body interact and mutually influence each other. It's not possible to make a change in one without the other being affected. When we think differently, our bodies change. And when we act differently, we change our thoughts and our feelings. If you'd like to know more and you'd like to be happier, healthier, and enjoy the most joyous life, please feel free to get in touch with me. My details are on the screen. And whatever you're doing today, have an awesome day.